Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying hardware and making space. Enable virtualization in BIOS so virtual machines or performance acceleration work. That's critical. Next, choose your path. Use Android Studio's emulator for development or download Android x86 ISO when you want native performance on the laptop. Once done, backup files and prepare a bootable USB with Rufus or Etcher. These steps get you ready to boot and proceed without surprises. You now create the installation media and perform the core install. Use Rufus or Etcher to flash the ISO, selecting GPT with UEFI if your laptop uses modern firmware. Otherwise, pick MBR. Boot from the USB, test live mode to confirm hardware compatibility, then choose Install. If installing alongside Windows, shrink the Windows partition and make an ext4 partition for Android x86. If using a VM, allocate 4 plus GB RAM and enable EFI and nested virtualization. These choices you finish by configuring the system and optimizing performance. Sign into Google, update Play services and apps, and install vendor drivers or Mesa updates if graphics stutter. Make performance tweaks. Increase RAM, enable hardware acceleration, or change the renderer between 2D and 3D depending on your GPU. Finally, if the system fails to boot or shows a black screen, try booting with NAModeset, switching the graphics driver mode, or fall back to the Android emulator. That single tip resolves most post-install display issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.